Qlicksmart BladeCASSETTE. The BladeCASSETTE was invented by clinicians who saw the need for a safe scalpel blade remover in the operating room. The CDC estimates that 385,000 sharps-related injuries occur each year in hospitals, which risks exposing healthcare workers to bloodborne infections such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, or HIV. Recent data suggests that most sharps injuries can be avoided by using better safety-engineered devices. Here's how to use the BladeCASSETTE. Peel back the sterile blister packaging. The BladeCASSETTE is compact to save space, and the cover is locked until you are ready to use the device. To release the cover, squeeze the grip edges on both sides of the BladeCASSETTE. Fold the cover back until you hear the click, which indicates that it is locked in place. Place the BladeCASSETTE on the sterile drape. The nodules on the base of the BladeCASSETTE grip to the drape and keep the BladeCASSETTE stable while this is being used. We're now ready to remove scalpel blades single-handedly. Make sure that the scalpel is facing the same direction as the red guide on the cartridge. Rest the scalpel blade on the red landing pad and insert it under the jaws of the cartridge. This will help guide the scalpel into the correct placement. Tilt up to 90 degrees and then push the scalpel down until you hear a click. Return the BladeCASSETTE to the standing position. Use your other hand to brace the BladeCASSETTE and pull out the scalpel handle. The blade remains securely contained in the cartridge. There are 3 cartridges in the BladeCASSETTE to use during the procedure. The clear cartridges allow for an easy and accurate count before appropriate disposal into a sharps bin. With the Qlicksmart BladeCASSETTE, our sharp safety is as simple as place, push, click, pull. The BladeCASSETTE is compatible with most scalpel handles and blades and is also available to be included in sterile procedure packs. To arrange a trial, contact us through our website at qlicksmart.com.